Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn change the voice in simple present tense. Firstly, we will know the meaning of active and passive voice. In active voice, the subject performs the action stated by the verb. For example, I call him. In passive voice, the subject is acted upon by the verb. For example, he is called by me. Now let's see the general formula of change the active voice into passive voice. We generally write the sentence in active voice subject plus verb plus object. When we convert active voice into passive voice, then sentence becomes object plus form of be. What is the form of be? Form of be depends on the tense. Here we are talking about present indefinite tense. So we will use is, am, are. After that, third form of verb. After the third form of verb, we will use by, and after that subject. When we change the active voice into passive voice, many changes occur in the subject. Let's discuss. I becomes me, we becomes us, they becomes them, you remains as you, he becomes him, she becomes her, it remains as it, and name also remains as name. Let's discuss with the help of examples. Please see it very carefully. First is, he eats mangoes. He is subject, eats verb, mangoes object. When we will change the active voice into passive voice, how we will write? Firstly, we will write object, mangoes. After that, form of be, mango is in plural form. So we will write are. After that, third form of verb. What is the third form of eat? Eat, ate, eaten. After that, we will write by. After that, subject. And subject is he. He will change into him. So our answer is mangoes are eaten by him. Second one, we sing songs. Songs are, third form of sing is sing, sang, sung. Sung by, we will change into us. So we will write songs are sung by us. Third one, I eat an apple. An apple is eaten by me. Understood? Let's see how we will change the voice when the sentences are in negative form. In active voice, how we will write a sentence? Subject plus do not or does not. Do not or does not depends on the subject. If the subject is in plural form, we will write do not. If the subject is singular, we will write does not. Plus first form of verb plus object. When we change the active voice into passive voice, how we will write? Object is, am, or are plus not plus third form of verb. After that, by, and after that, subject. Let's see some examples. First is, she does not play hockey. How we will write? Firstly, we will write object. What is object? Hockey. Hockey, and after that, hockey is singular. We will write is. Not. After that, third form of verb. What is the third form of play? Played. By, she will change into her. Hockey is not played by her. Next example is, I don't drink milk. How we will change? Milk is not drunk by me. Let's see how we will change the voice if the sentences are interrogative. In active voice, sentence starts from do or does, after that subject plus verb plus object. When we convert active voice into passive voice, we will write is, am or are plus object plus third form of verb plus by and after that subject. Let's discuss with the help of examples. First is, does he play hockey? Firstly, we will write is, am or are. How we will write is, am or are? It depends on the object. What is the object in the sentence? Hockey. Hockey is object. Hockey is singular. So we will write is. After that object hockey. After that third form of verb. Third form of play is played by. He will change into him. So our answer is hockey played by him. Next example is, do you write a letter? Answer is a letter written by you. Third one, does he sing a song? Is a song sung by him. I hope you all have understood this topic. This is very interesting topic, and on the basis of your understanding, solve the given exercise on your rough notebooks. These are 10 sentences. Thank you. Have a nice day.